The principles, functions, and maintenance methods of optocouplers, also known as photoelectric couplers, mainly serve the purpose of isolation in circuits. The one I have in my hand is the most commonly used 4-angle optocoupler. Its model is 8117. Besides this one, commonly used models also include 521785 and others. In addition to the 4-angle optocouplers, there are also 6-angle and 8-angle ones, among others. Let's talk about its principle. Between its first and second angles, there is a light-emitting diode inside. Between its third and fourth angles, took one photoconductive resistor. When one corner and two corners are powered on, the light-emitting diode will light up. After the photoresistor here receives the light wave signal, these two corners, third corner and fourth corner, become conductive. If there's no power here and it doesn't light up, then this side will disconnect. The principle is that simple. So how do we determine if this optocoupler is good or bad? We check between its first and second angles. Connect a voltage of 1.5 to 2 volts. Connect the first angle to the positive terminal and the second angle to the negative terminal. We use a multimeter. Switch to the diode setting, which is also the setting for the buzzer. Now, let's measure the conductivity between the third and fourth angles. I'm turning on the power. It's connected. Now it's off. Turn it on. If the power is turned on in this state, these two corners will be connected, and if the power is turned off, it will be disconnected. This means that the photocoupler is good. If we have any doubts in the circuit, if this optocoupler is faulty, we can directly short these two angles. If shorting this angle restores normal function, then it indicates that this optocoupler is indeed broken. Now, how do we test a 6-angle optocoupler? Its principle is actually not much different from that of the 4-angle ones. We can treat it like a 4-angle optocoupler. The first and second angles are equivalent to the first and second angles of the 4-angle optocoupler. The third angle is empty, so we can treat the fourth and fifth angles as the third and fourth angles of the 4-angle optocoupler. The sixth angle is a feedback circuit, which we can ignore. It doesn't have much effect when it doesn't exist.